What's going on, Pro Cutters? Back at the Four Seasons room job, and we're getting ready to go ahead and do the window casings, the window trim, the door trim, the crown mold, and we're going to cut all the base trim and shoe to length, but we won't be installing that right now because that'll go down after the floor. Stick around, we'll put you guys on time lapse. So we've got the window casings are all in, and we're working on the trim now. This window is trimmed out. Got a couple of brads to sink and a little bit of caulk in the corners, and we'll be good to go. Got Dave Adams with me again today. Check out his channel. He's slow to upload, but he's got good stuff. pro tip of the day, make sure you bring all your tools to the job site. So we've got the window and door trim done, but as far as the crown, I forgot my caulk and caulk gun, so I can't get that top corner. So that's gonna have to wait. And then I already knew I was waiting on the base because we haven't put the floor in yet because the customer was painting. You can see they've whitewashed the bricks, which is cool. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out Dave Adams' channel. Like, comment, and subscribe on his stuff too. Have a great day. Bless you.